Hello everyone, I'm going to do a review about a Moreart diorama. It's not the first one I've got for Moreart. I have many Moreart dioramas. It's going to be a little bit similar like these ones right here, which I think are really cool. Let's have a look at the box because I believe there is a picture here. Yep, and barcode and article number for the ones who are interested. Okay, let's take it out of the package. Very well packed and made out of high quality material, wood with some plastic. I can tell you, really good. Also very well packed. Paper box, which is good for the environment. And another good thing. So let's put the box here on the side. It comes almost ready out of the box. Is there a possibility to hang it on the wall? No, not really. Okay, first we're going to take the plastic off. Let's see, and we don't need this light. Very careful so you don't scratch the wood. Okay, there is a protection plate. You can slide it up to take it out. This is a cable for the battery. You can decide if you want to power it with a battery, but you can also a power bank battery, but you can also use a small AAA batteries. Okay, I believe this is it. It is ready out of the box. I don't have to do anything. Not only the model, but also the art. Okay, I'm going to put some cars and accessories inside, and I'm going to get a power bank. How about this car right here? Let me use this. Some boxes. Yeah, going to use this one as well. Whoop. Are there any other accessories that I can use? Oh yes. Why not? Maybe this one right here. And some figures. Three figures. Okay, that'll do. So let's give everything a place. So these I got on Aliexpress. Really good and cheap price. For these lockers, I'm going to put them here on the side. Then this one is from American Diorama. This I also got on Aliexpress. The car is from Hobby Japan, I believe. Yep, Hobby Japan. Did a review about it. Heating in the back window. Really nice car. To put that right here. This one right here, American diorama. Some boxes. Some more tools. This is also from Aliexpress, I believe. And the tools on top, not sure. Could be American diorama. Could be Aliexpress. I glued those tools on this toolkit. Then we have some figures. Figures are also from American diorama. Can place this one right here. Yep. These are, by the way, recent figures, so if you're looking for figures like this, they're still available. Okay, so this is what you get. Now, the only thing we have to do is make sure that the light is turned on. Let's see how we do this. So I've got a battery here. And take this out. Cable. Be careful. So here we have to plug in the... sorry guys. There we go. And the other side goes in here. Put it on top. Yep. And then we... Of course. You know, I don't see any light. What's that? Why there is no light? Maybe I have to put this in a little bit. Still nothing. I don't get it. Should be working instantly. Okay. I had to use a different port on the power bank. Apparently the other port was not working. Okay, I have to put back, place the figures back on its place. Of course, yes. Damn it. There we go. A nice little diorama to display your model cars. A few cars will fit inside, but this will also do. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share. Click, click, click. Have a very good day. Bye.